boys and girls. Okay, for today's math lesson, for Tuesday, December 1st, we are going to be in this book. You remember this guy from school. We're gonna do lesson 4-7, and that starts on page, want to find it? 267. 267. So if you want to pause the video and get to page 267, you can do that. It has that great big tree on it. Okay, so before we jump into our book, I want to review with you some of these strategies that we have talked about with subtracting. So that's what today's lesson is about. It's called Explain Subtraction Strategies. So let's look at that I can statement on our book. Ready? Mirrors on. Okay, I can explain the strategies I use to solve subtraction problems. Good job. Mirrors off. Okay, so just for a review, let's look at this one first. What is this called? It's a line with numbers on it. What's that called? A line with numbers on it. You all have one too. I sent home with you. It's white. What is it? Good, a number line. Yes. Now this next thing, remember we see this in our book a lot. It's a frame. It has 10 spaces in each frame. What's it called? Good, a 10 frame. And then over here, remember what this guy is? Yes, our part, whole mat. Remember that whole, the biggest number, goes at the top. So today's lesson is all about picking which way works best for your brain. So if you like the number line way, use it. If you like to draw these in 10 frames and cross out the ones you don't need, use it. If the part, whole mat works best for you, use it. And guess what else is fun about this chapter, this lesson? Remember a few lessons ago in chapter 3, they said you could do something my way. That's what they call it, my way. Like if you draw a quick picture and cross out, or if you use your fingers to help you, you can circle that you used it my way. So on page 267, it says, choose a strategy to solve the problem. Jeff has 12 apples. He gives 6 apples away. How many apples are left? Use words, objects, or pictures to explain your work. So let's see. Jeff had 12 apples. 12 stands out to me. I'm going to circle the number 12. He gives 6 apples away. Now watch what I'm going to do. Since this is all about picking which strategy works best for you, I'm going to show you what my brain does first. I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 apples in my tree. Now, how many did he give away? Yeah, 6. It tells me that in the problem. So I'm going to cross off 6 since he got rid of those. Here we go. Count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Now let's see how many he has left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, so I know that even though he got rid of 6, he still has 6 left. So my subtraction sentence at the bottom, good job. My subtraction sentence at the bottom would be 12 minus 6, because he got rid of 6, and he is still left with 6. So I want you to do this your way. Whatever works for your brain. If you want to use your number line, if you want to draw counters and cross off like I did, if you want to do a part, whole mat, whatever works. Now on the next page, at the top, on page 268, our little friends always give us kind of an introduction to the lesson. And she tells me that you can use different ways to solve subtraction facts. She says you can count back. What do you have? Okay, good job. Go upstairs. Okay, say hi. Now go upstairs.
Hi.
Okay. It says you can count on or back to solve subtraction facts on your number line. The next one talks about how you could make a 10 on that 10 frame to help you subtract. Or by using that part whole mat like we talked about, you can think about addition to help you subtract. So for today, I want you to do your problems on pages 267 and go all the way through 270. Now remember, this is your way. Whatever works best for your brain. Maybe different problems work different ways, and that's totally fine. I need your grown-ups to also take pictures of each of your math pages, send them to me on Class Dojo, and also don't forget, we're not going to do a lesson video about it, but don't forget that December writing journal with those writing prompts in it. You should be writing every single day, at least 3 sentences in your best handwriting. Now, who can tell me what a sentence always starts with? What do you always need? Good, a capital. What do you need in between each word? Let's see, look, I used one here when I wrote, yes, a finger space. Now, what does a sentence always end with? Good, either a period or a question mark or an exclamation point. All right, so I will see you all tomorrow for our Wednesday lesson. Take care.